Now if you understand the given data, an equation ax power n plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0 is having n roots alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 up to alpha n. Then we need the value of alpha n minus alpha 1 into alpha n minus alpha 2 into so on up to alpha n minus of alpha n minus 1 up to here. Now, what do we mean by alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, so on up to alpha n are the roots of an nth degree polynomial ax power n plus bx square plus cx plus d equal to 0. Now what do we mean by this statement? Yes, we can rewrite this expression as ax power n plus bx square plus cx plus d can be expressed as a times x minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 into x minus alpha 3 so on up to x minus alpha n. Now rearranging the factors on both sides, can we rewrite this statement as x minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 into x minus alpha 3 so on up to, I am considering the last but one factor, x minus alpha n minus 1 is ax power n plus bx square plus cx plus d by a times x minus alpha n, right? Now if you look at the left hand side, this is a continuous product of all the roots up to alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3 so on up to alpha n minus 1. Now look at the required product, alpha n minus alpha 1, alpha n minus alpha 2 so on up to alpha n minus 1. So what happens if we take limit on both sides as x tends to alpha n? How will be this equation changes to? Then this would now become limit x tends to alpha n continuous product of x minus alpha 1 into x minus alpha 2 into x minus alpha 3 so on up to x minus alpha n minus 1 is same as limit x tends to alpha n ax power n plus bx square plus cx plus d by a times x minus alpha n. Now the left hand side limit is a directly substitutable limit. So we can substitute the value of x as alpha n in this, as alpha n is in the domain of this. What do you end up by getting? Alpha n minus alpha 1 into alpha n minus alpha 2 into alpha n minus alpha 3 and so on up to alpha n minus 1 equal to, this is the value of the product which we are calculating, right? Is, now look at the right hand side. As alpha n is a root of this equation, when you directly substitute the limit, the numerator is 0 because alpha n should satisfy this equation by 0. So this is in 0 by 0 form. Then can we apply L'Hospital rule on the right hand side? Yes, this becomes limit x tends to alpha n a into n into x to the power of n minus 1 plus 2bx plus c by a. Now here can we replace x equal to alpha n? Yes, this is a directly substitutable value. Then how much is the value you get? A into n times alpha n to the power of n minus 1 plus 2b times alpha n plus c by a, right? The last option should have by a and the option satisfied is D.